You're welcome in your maths and I got a new problem. So here it is a cyclic quadrilateral and we have to prove that the opposite angle sum of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So let's go. So for proving this we have to draw a diagonal of cyclic quadrilateral and we have to also construct a tangent that passes through this point. Now let this angle be theta and look the triangle BDC, so you can clearly see that this angle also be theta as it follows alternate segment theorem. Now let this angle be x, then this angle also be x as well. Now we can write theta plus x is equal to 180 degrees from linear pair, as that tangent is a straight line, so theta plus x is what? Angle A plus angle C. In the next video we will discuss alternate segment theorem. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.